Welcome to All Bicycles. In this video we list 10 important items you need when going mountain biking. If you have any questions, please let us know in a comment below this video. First of all, a mountain bike. One who's properly maintained and has the right sizes for your body type and riding style. The mountain bike has to be suitable for the terrain. The second is a well-fitting helmet to protect your head. The third item that is useful to have with you is a water bottle or hydration pack to stay hydrated. The fourth item what is useful is a repair kit, including a multi-tool, tire levers, spare tube, patch kit, and a pump or CO2 inflator. When you are out on a ride, you must be prepared to repair a broken chain, fix a flat tire, and tighten a loose bolt. Your bicycle repair kit is going to help you repair your bike when it breaks down, make adjustments for better performance, and keep your bicycle running well. The fifth item is a first aid kit. The best mountain bike first aid kit is one that steps up to the challenges of this intense sport. You will need to be prepared for minor injuries like cuts and bruises, as well as major accidents that could involve fractures, severe blood loss, and head injuries. Sixth item is protective gear, gloves, knee and elbow pads. Seventh item is appropriate clothing, comfortable and weather appropriate, including moisture-wicking layers. The eighth item is the sunglasses for eye protection against sun, dust, and debris. Number 9 is a map or GPS device for navigation. It's also good to bring your mobile phone. The last item we will mention are snacks or energy bars for maintaining energy levels. There will certainly be items that we have not listed but are a real must-have while mountain biking. Which item do you find useful and should absolutely not be forgotten? Please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.